Live from the Catskills, Maltasia presents And the Animals to Stars Holiday Spectacular, featuring nature's own Black Lips, local babes, the Rock Academy, White Dove Rock Hotel Elves, and appearances by the Queen of the Macy's Day Parade, Sarah Bender, and here is the star of the show, and the animals.
He just sat on a balloon.
Yes.
Thank you, Santa.
No problem. Andy.
Welcome to our holiday spectacular. We got so many treats happening. What do we? I don't even know what's happening. I didn't hear the announcer. I just heard there's going to be a lot of surprises and fun and wizardry, maybe some ventriloquism. I don't know. Yeah, I just hear there's gonna be all kinds of people riding in on snowmobiles and this and that.
Oh, dog, serious? Snowmobiles?
Sleds. If you're a real snowmobile guy, you want to sound cool in the snowmobile community, call them sleds. So you don't sound like an amateur. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Hey, how's your Christmas so far, Andy?
Oh, it's great. We're gearing up. We got big concerts. Oh wait, somebody at the door.
Wait a second. Come on in.
Wait, hang on. Let me welcome them in. Whoa. Oh my! Is this the Rock Hotel Elves from the White Dove Rock Hotel?
Oh, my little helper friend elves.
Yeah, the favorites. Rose and Fifi.
Well, have you ever grown a beard, young lady?
That's good job.
That's the way beards are.
How do you know he's not the real Santa?
That's just the way beards are.
Girls, you want to sit on the couch with us?
Come on, sit down.
Why are you acting like Santa?
How do you know?
Really? Are you really questioning Santa right now?
How do you know he isn't Santa?
How do you know? Wait a second, that's my mustache! No, I can't have any more? Yeah, thank you.
Anyhow, these girls... Girls, you want to have a seat on the couch?
Yeah, Andy wants to talk to you. Here. You're the main guest.
Yeah, you guys sit over here.
Talk to
Sit over here. Come on.
Don't worry about that stuff.
Let me tell you, Fifi, come here, kiddo. There are these girls right here. Hey, Fifi, we got something for you over here.
Hey, the real Santa's not talking to you.
What? Oh, you got your own already?
Yep.
You want to trade? Which?
that box?
If you don't know who these girls are, if you ever go to Woodstock, New York, and stay at the coolest place in town, the White Dove Rock Hotel, you'll see these sweet little angels hard at work, fixing toilets, working on the stove. They do roofing. They're heirs to the White Dove Rock Hotel, and
You guys are hard at work.
they're like kind of like the Hilton sisters, but a lot more pleasant and adorable. And yeah, they're always good for
I know about Santa Claus, but I can help.
for a warm, welcoming stay at the White Dove Rock Hotel. That's where the Black Lips are staying. I wonder if they're going to be coming on the show. Anyway, we're going to have a commercial break for you right now. And then we're going to see who rides up and see what happens. You know what I'm saying?
I got a deal.
Get a compact disc player for Christmas. Get a stereo rack system, cassette deck, turntable receiver, headphone speakers. Get it all on sale now during Crazy Eddie's greatest Christmas sale ever. Remember, we are not undersold. We will not be undersold. And we cannot be undersold, and we mean it. So get a new stereo rack system, compact disc player. Get anything, everything at home entertainment on sale now during Crazy Eddie's greatest Christmas sale ever. I think the cane is broken. Crazy Eddie, his prices are insane.
Season's greetings. I am the Invisible Man.
You may be planning an old-fashioned Christmas as I am, but that doesn't mean you have to use old-fashioned cellophane tape. Note how shiny it looks on the gift wrap, while Scotch Magic transparent tape keeps packages pretty. It's virtually invisible. So do your own disappearing act with Scotch brand Magic transparent tape. It's
And we're back. And who's at the door? Who's at the door? Sandy, you want to come find out who's at the door? Oh, come on now. The Black Lips have made their way to the Catskill Mountains.
It's the Black Lips.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Hey,
Good to see you guys.
Oh,
Be careful, man.
oh,
Merry
the
Christmas.
chef, beautiful man.
All right, now let's get out of here.
Yeah, all right.
All right, elves, we gotta go. We gotta take care of Christmas.
Hi, hi, come on.
It's only a few days away.
Hammered.
It's only a few days away. Let's get out of here.
How much for the elves? We'll negotiate on the next commercial break. Hi, Jared.
Hey, Andy, how you doing?
I'm good.
Thanks for having me on the show.
You look like Kevin McAllister, right? Okay. Welcome, everybody.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Oh, God, I'm
Thanks
excited.
for having us.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
So what's up? They call me Young Santa.
They call me Little Elf.
My
We're on FaceTime.
my ho isn't as distinguished as it's gonna be in the future. It sounds like hey. The Black Lips, what's happening? I want to know. Starting with you, Cole. What was your greatest Christmas memory?
Stay with them. I still remember, I think I was 4 and I learned a very important life lesson. It wasn't Christmas yet, but I wanted to open my presents because I was really excited about them. So I begged my mom and she said, no, you have to wait till Christmas. And I begged and screamed and cried like a little brat. So finally I said, okay, go ahead, open them. And then I opened them all, and then when Christmas came, I didn't have any presents.
Lesson
That
learned.
crushed me.
Lesson learned.
Yeah. But has he learned that lesson? I don't know.
Has he? You tell us. Has he learned that lesson?
I feel like every day we're reliving this trauma. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is my new Christmas.
I agree.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. That's something.
Zoomy, how about you? Hanukkah memories? Did you do Hanukkah or
Both.
Okay.
Did both, but like
What's your favorite holiday memory?
I really wanted a skateboard for Hanukkah.
Yeah.
Right? Or Christmas, but
Okay.
we really mostly got Hanukkah presents, and my best friend Ishi, he lived next door. I had a big crush on him. He was like dreamy and stuff.
Zoomy and Ishi.
Yeah. He's
Los
like an
Angeles.
older boy. He's he's like my best friend. He taught me how to skateboard and stuff. So I thought I was gonna get a beautiful skateboard like his, all worn in, but I got a white skateboard with an orange T-Rex on the bottom, which was very, very cool. But then I tried to ride the skateboard. It was like. It was like, it wasn't worn. It wasn't warmed up. It wasn't all worn in. So it was very exciting, but also made me realize I had a lot to learn.
But that's your favorite holiday memory.
Well, it just was a cool.
It stood out the most. So
Also because I still want to know where that skateboard is. I look for it constantly. I feel like it's hidden somewhere in a garage somewhere. Yeah.
in the basement.
With Ishi somewhere.
Oakley, all right. Oakley is their boy from the Black Lips who lives locally.
Local.
Local. He's local.
Yeah, it's good to be here though. Anyway.
What's your favoriteest holiday memory, Oakley?
I think I snuck up into the attic of my house and found my present early, but it was an electric guitar.
Oh,
I think that's why I'm here today.
And then when you unwrapped it, you're like, yeah, is that what happened?
I think I broke a string right away, and
Okay.
it was out of tune. I couldn't figure out how to play it, but
Jeff,
Still got it.
Jeff, do Canadians celebrate Christmas?
Oh, we sure do.
Everybody.
Every day's Christmas. But
Yeah,
real
Canada,
Christmas is
right?
real special.
Sorry.
Well, tell us your favorite holiday memory.
Well, one year, my mother bought a utility turkey. Do you know what a utility turkey is?
No.
It's a turkey that's been damaged, so they're a little bit cheaper. than the
Oh,
other
okay,
ones.
okay.
It might be missing like a drumstick, or it's been kicked around the truck, or
I think we had
kicked
one of
around
those
at
on
one
a
point.
Thanksgiving special.
But Mom, God bless her soul, she let it thaw after it was frozen, and then she froze it again, and then she cooked it, but it was rancid. It was so rancid, the house got so bad. They threw it steaming. It was in the backyard steaming in the -30 weather, steaming, and the house stunk so bad we had to stay in a hotel for 2 or 3 days, and we came back and it still smelled.
And this
And
is
he's
Jeff's.
And he still smells
And we had
of
chicken.
rancid turkey.
And this is Jeff's famous favorite Christmas memory.
So
Precious.
the turkey had the last laugh.
You use it as a
It was
hockey
kicked around
puck.
his whole life, and then it
Use it as a hockey
ruined someone's
puck.
Christmas on top of it.
What's that?
It was utilized as an aroma.
Jared, hit me.
Well, yeah, I was thinking about it. I would say something like, like a BB gun I got or a skateboard or something like that. Those are all just material things. My fondest Christmas memory was me and my family, we were supposed to spend it. We were going to go to Paris for Christmas. My dad's brother lived over there. And the whole family was over there and we're getting ready. Something
Hey,
happened.
ho, ho.
And they went without me. At first, it kind of bummed me out and it sucked, but it taught me independence. I learned how to pack my own bag. I was almost killed.
What?
Yeah, two men came. I learned independence.
And then what happened? You said something about burglars?
Oh well, I eventually got them out of there, and my family came back and they made it for Christmas Day.
And he stayed in the plaza by himself and got to eat
That was my next Christmas.
the giant cookies.
Did you meet Donald Trump?
He gave me directions briefly.
I heard about that time, yeah. Jared was lost in New York and all he had was a little tape recorder. And he somehow got to stay at Trump Plaza.
The Plaza Hotel. I don't think he ever put Trump in the name there. He only had that for like 2 or 3 years. It was a big loss.
Yeah.
I saw there was a
Took a hit
debate
for that one.
on the internet about Predator versus Macaulay Culkin in Home Alone, and they were asking how much prep time does Macaulay get? Because they were thinking maybe he could take the Predator.
That he could take Predator?
Yeah, I mean, look how well he did in those 2 movies.
It's really bad. He's got a candy can.
Macaulay versus Alien.
French
So what's up? You guys love coming up to the Catskills or what?
Love it.
We've had you guys up here a few times in the past couple of years.
Yeah,
I mean-
I love it. It's beautiful
I
country.
mean, I'm a Jew. We've been coming here for years.
We started this.
Oh, yeah.
I'm half a Jew. I don't know if anyone knows that.
Oh, yeah.
Did you know that?
You guys are both happy.
Spectacular.
You're both happy.
If I lived here,
okay.
I'd be home by now.
Oh, what else? What are some of the past Catskills experiences for the Black Lips that came up for the big festival this summer? You guys have a fun time at that?
Yeah.
That was fun.
What's that called?
Meltasia.
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 What?
Yeah.
We
Meltasia.
went to see Leonard Skinner.
We went to go see Leonard Skinner.
Meltasia presents.
Leonard Skinner. Went to the Leonard Skinner concert.
Who opened up for the Skinner?
And why do you have
Who did open?
38 special.
Ah, yeah.
The who do you call him, brother?
I get it.
The what do you call him?
Doobie Brothers?
No,
No,
Who do you call them?
can't you see Marshall Tucker?
yeah, Marshall
Marshall
Tucker.
Tucker.
We missed them
Missed
though.
them, I like that.
You guys come up here to the Catskills
tailgating.
to record a show on Lennon. You guys are up here forever doing that.
Yeah, I recorded a record up here.
There's
Did it?
magic in these mountains.
Last winter I shoveled out Oakley's driveway. Did some snow. I'd never shoveled snow before.
Yeah, he was like a
We're having a
pro.
great time. Jared likes to keep busy. He's got to keep busy, or we got a crabby Jared, right?
Yeah, we made tons of maple syrup.
Yeah, I was throwing a fireman. Actually, that was right before we shot our first episode of this season, and this is our final episode. It's so good to have you guys here. I did not know you guys were going to be here.
Neither did I.
I had no clue. You didn't know I was going to be here? This is the Christmas community. This is just the place people go, and you don't know who you're going to run into. I'm really happy to see you. It's really good. This is the best Christmas ever. Fifi, what are you doing? We're gonna cut to commercial. This is the part. What's that? Oh, Al's gonna come over and say hi to
Watch your holiday dreams come alive when you step inside the Wonderland at Switzer's. Oh, it's like magic. Festive gift wrapping and holiday cards. Candy, confections, and craft-making items. Unique gifts and toys. And a super selection of Christmas trees, ornaments, and holiday decorations. Switzer's has everything you need to wrap up a perfect holiday. Always a good time for Switzer's and you.
It's a world of celebration, joyful Yuletide expectation, where peace and love are felt throughout the land. It's an M&M's chocolate candy season, moms and Santas know the reason. The milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand. All the world loves M&M's, they're pure milk chocolate joy for everyone.
M&M's chocolate candies, the milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand.
Do you have a guitar pick?
No.
Damn it.
Okay, How's Rudolph looking this year?
Do you have a sax for you?
Rudolph strong? No, he's not strong.
They've got to get back to making toys.
Okay.
Who's your favorite reindeer?
Toys.
Rudolph, right?
Not Blitzen?
Comet's cool.
Blixa.
Comet's cool. Then there's Gabriel is one of them. Is there anyone named Gabriel?
Blitzkrieg's my favorite.
We're gonna cut to commercial, and then you know what we got coming up? We got the queen of the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. You see her sitting with Santa up there at the end of every parade since like 2006.
Where?
My girl Sarah Bender is gonna say hello and teach us how to make a Catskill Mountain Christmas pudding salad. Yep, that's right.
It's winter, and there's a place where the snow is deep, the air is clean, a place with hundreds of miles of trails to explore. For snowmobilers, for cross-country skiers, for snowshoe hikers. A place where sharing the woods sometimes brings magical winter moments. It's Hamilton County in New York's Adirondack region. Join us there for this year's I Love New York Winter Festival. The number to call is 518-548-7191 for free information on 2 months of activities and events for those who already love winter and those who will. Try ice fishing, go downhill skiing, relax at a country inn, play at a winter carnival, or watch the spectacle of the Long Lake 100. Call 518-548-7191 and get ready for a wonderful wilderness winter.
Hello, Andy. I didn't hear you come in. I'm Sarah Bender, the queen of the Thanksgiving Day Parade. Today we're making Catskill Mountain Christmas pudding. Here's what we'll be using. Pineapple from Hawaii. Pistachio Jello pudding, instant. Marshmallows. Whipped cream and plenty of it. And don't forget the nuts. And now you mix it all together. Really good. Let cool for an hour, and voila! It's Catskills Mountain Christmas pudding for two. Ready to eat, Andy? Happy holidays!
And we are back with more holiday greatness. Can we go hear another knock at the door? Jared, you want to go check that out?
Yeah. Christmas carolers.
It's the Rock Academy.
Oh, some presents. Take them.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do it.
Wait, that's Zumi's gift right there.
Watch out.
Yeah, that's the gift
Careful with the camera.
This holiday is yours. We all share with you the hope that this day brings us closer to freedom and to harmony and to peace. No matter how different we appear, we're all the same in the struggle against the powers of evil and darkness. I hope that this day can always be a day of joy, which we can reconfirm our dedication and our courage, more than anything else, our love for one another. This is the promise of the tree of life.
You're welcome.
Let's hear it for the Rock Academy. What's that? Oh, what a beautiful silent night. Are there a couple of those presents are for the? If we can hand those to these two that didn't get presents yet.
Oh, okay. The carolers don't get presents. Sorry. My bad. Got a big list.
What did I get?
Thanks, Andy.
Oh, all right.
Thanks, Santa.
I didn't get a chance to watch that, Zumi.
Oh, good.
Look at the cool. Look at how good Zumi looks in that.
Yeah.
What's this supposed to be?
Who's this go
It has Andy's pits all over it.
Let's get a shot of Zumi's cool shirt.
Christmas.
Whoa!
Kids lunchbox. Thank you, Andy.
Yeah. Hey, there's something in there.
Gene Simmons.
What is it?
Oh, and I get something too?
Wait a second, Andy. I've got a present for you.
Whoa.
Just one present for this guy. The greatest guy in the world.
The greatest rock and roll band
Andy.
of all time.
Animal.
Ace Frehley!
Oh,
Did you see Ace Frehley?
He's wearing
Oh, this is a black lip shirt.
He's got
Oh, you gave me a black lip shirt?
I know you guys got issues with Gene Simmons. Who's calling me?
Hey, yo. Sit down.
Sorry,
Well, we're laying
Stace.
up Gene right now. He's got some legal problems.
Hey.
Hey, Jeff, what'd you
I
get
got a
there?
present for Andy over here.
You picked this for me?
Is this
Got a present for
Baba
Andy.
Booey?
Not very Christmassy, right?
It's Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Show it to the camera. Show Baba Booey.
Look at this kid's lunchbox.
Jared, I know you've always wanted a Gumby. If you guys want to come stand back there. All right, what's this? What's this, Santa?
I don't know. It's a long, wide present. Right here.
Let me give it to me.
Well, what the hell, dude?
Red Rider.
What?
Red Rider.
How'd you know?
This is the best gift
You got this for me?
He knew.
Yes, I did.
What? Where's the?
How long did it
It's
take
a-
the elves to make that?
You're gonna shoot somebody's eye
You're
out,
shoot your
kid.
dink off.
Red Rider, with
Get the eye patches
where's
out.
the list of one of the features? Lever cocking, spring air, 177 caliber, 4.5 millimeter BB, smooth bore steel, blade, and who cares?
It's got the Lariat
Put your
logo.
tongue on the metal.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah!
Here, use this, you can go to the gas station and do a number.
Yeah! Whoa! Hey, could somebody give me a clip
We
for
have a
this?
future NRA member.
Who's got a knife? Who's got a knife?
We should start the National Toy
Use the
Rifle
nunchucks.
Association.
Use a nunchuck.
Yeah, the National
In-
Beating
in
Association. Look it up, Santa.
National Toy
I got your
Rifle
back,
Association.
Andy.
Ow, my eye! Yeah, I'm Daniel Boone.
The
Safety's on.
NTRA.
Safety's on.
Also, never point a gun And anyway.
Okay, well, I guess we're gonna cut to commercial break and then play some. Will you guys play some songs for us?
Oh.
Yeah, we got a couple. You want to sing one with us?
What? We'll see about that.
You can talk to our agent and we can see.
I'm a little rusty. All right, we're gonna cut to commercial. We're gonna call the Black Lips agency and see if it's okay if they do some music for
A
us.
little Christmas special.
This is the coolest.
It is. Wait.
Yeah. We'll be right back with more Andy Animal Stabilizers.
Brought to you by the NTRA, National Toy Rifle Association.
If anybody loves trains, it's me, Johnny Cash. You know, if your boy's under 10 like mine is, he needs a big Lionel like this Black River Freight. Lionel also makes HO gauge trains for older kids, like this Burlington 181. But for smaller hands, the big Lionel is easier to handle and put on the track. This Christmas, get your boy a train that's built for the way young boys play. A big, rugged Lionel. Lionel, the big train for small hands.
Carvel, America's freshest ice cream. See, Carvel ice cream is made in the Carvel ice cream store by the dealer. Now, for the holidays, please visit your participating Carvel ice cream store. They've got some beautiful items and you'll love them. They have a Santa Claus cake or a Hanukkah cake. Now, if you have a friend that you want to send one to in the Northeast or in Florida, please phone the toll-free number that you see here, and we honor major credit cards. And have a happy holiday. Thank you.
Welcome back, gang. I'm so happy, and I couldn't ask for anything better than to have this magical Christmas in the Catskills with all of you. And on that note.
That's why Live at 5 is the most popular live hour on afternoon television.
Join us live at 5.
For Christmas shopping, I browse at Bloomingdale's. I tiptoe through Tiffany's, but I buy at Alexander's. I buy gifts at Alexander's. I'm sauntering through Saks, meandering through Macy's, but I buy at Alexander's. I buy gifts at Alexander's. Yes, I buy at Alexander's.
Tony, guess what?
What?
I went to Edaville Railroad's Christmas Festival yesterday.
Yeah? Did you ride the steam train?
Yep, and I saw thousands of colored Christmas lights. It's so pretty.
Neat. Did you pet the reindeer?
Yeah.
Excellent.
And saw Santa, too.
Boy, hope I get to Edaville this year.
This Christmas, continue a popular New England tradition. Visit Edaville Railroad's Christmas Festival.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Black Lips.
I'd like to dedicate this song to Woodstock, New York, VFW Hall 1026. It's about all the guys that got men and women that can't make it home for Christmas. everybody.
All right, well, we're ready. Hey, before we get into this, Jared, did you vandalize Cole's house in Georgia with Christmas decorations? Not really vandalism.
It's not vandalism because you can't really get mad at someone for that because then A, like I'm giving you decorations that are very valuable. C, do you hate Christmas?
You'd pay somebody to do that. Really.
I hate Christmas.
We know Cole wasn't about to put up his own Christmas decorations.
I put a goddamn Christmas tree right in the front of his yard with glass ballerina decorations all over it. It's true. And you have a bunch of old St. Nick's on your banisters. Garland.
Somebody call the authorities.
I'm Elfish Presley. Let's do it.
Couldn't get mad 'cause you look pretty good.
No, he can't get mad. No, he can't get mad. Speaking of which,
Maybe if I was the Grinch.
let's do this, fellas. I'm just gonna, you guys will play and I'll figure out what you're doing and I'll just sing along because I don't know what song you're gonna play.
Let's do it, y'all. Let's go. Let's do this one for Santa Claus and Elvis in America. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow's on the ground. Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow's on the ground. We'll be a real good little girl now. Santa Claus is coming to town. No sleigh with reindeer. Sack on my back, you all see me coming in a big black Cadillac. Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, snow's on the ground. We'll be a real good little girl. Santa Claus is back in town. Thank you, Elf Princess.
Thank you, Elf Princess.
Out of the reindeer, you know you're the mastermind. Run, run, Rudolph, tell the ring to bow behind. Send Santa to a boy, tell him what have you been longing for? All I want for Christmas
Christmas! Happy Hanukkah!
Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas, Catskill Mountains! Merry Christmas, the Black Lips of the Rock Academy! On the White Dove Rock Hotel, Elf Princesses, and Sarah Bender from the Macy's Parade! Bye, everybody! Bye-bye! Yeah! I promise we'll clean that up right away. Thank you!
No, wait, Andy, I think we forgot one last thing. I think this is for you, my friend.
What is this?
Well, it's a gift.
It's shaking a little bit.
It is. Yeah.